In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile bank accounts in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to make sure your bank balance in Zoho matches your actual bank statement. First, open Zoho Books and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the banking section in the left-hand menu. This is where Zoho keeps all of your connected bank and credit card accounts, and it's where we'll be doing the reconciliation. Go ahead and click on Banking. You'll see a list of your bank accounts, credit cards, or any other financial accounts you've added. From here, select the specific account you want to reconcile. This should be the same account for which you have a bank statement, either downloaded from your bank or in paper form. It's very important that you have that statement handy, because you'll need the opening and closing balances and the statement period. Once you've opened the account, look toward the upper right corner of the page for the small gear icon or settings icon. Click on that icon to open additional options related to this bank account. From the drop-down that appears, choose Reconcile Account. This tells Zoho Books that you want to match the transactions in this account with a specific bank statement. After clicking Reconcile Account, you'll be taken to the reconciliations page for this bank. Here, click on Reconcile Now to start a new reconciliation session. Next, you'll see a form where you need to fill in the details of your bank statement. Carefully enter the statement start date and end date, making sure these dates match the statement you received from your bank. Then type in the opening balance and closing balance exactly as they appear on the statement. Take your time here. Even a small typo can cause a difference later. If Zoho shows a different opening balance than your bank, that usually means a previous period wasn't reconciled correctly or a transaction